Our planet faces a critical energy challenge. Fossil fuels are finite and polluting. We stand at a crossroads. We must transition to cleaner, sustainable energy sources. Renewable energy like solar and wind holds the key. Imagine a future powered by the sun and wind. AI is like a conductor leading an orchestra. It analyzes real-time data from weather sensors, energy grids, and appliances. This allows AI to optimize energy production and consumption. AI predicts sunny weather to maximize solar energy capture. It forecasts wind patterns for optimal turbine adjustment. AI manages energy consumption by predicting demand. This helps balance supply and demand, ensuring stable electricity flow. AI optimizes home energy use, saving money and reducing carbon footprint. AI's ability to learn and adapt is crucial for renewable energy. As AI gathers data, it improves in predicting weather and optimizing energy flow. This ensures renewable energy systems become more efficient and reliable. Solar energy, the power of the sun harnessed through photovoltaic cells, offers immense potential. However, its efficiency is directly tied to sunlight availability, a factor that can change dramatically throughout the day and across seasons. AI steps in to address this challenge, acting as a virtual meteorologist. AI algorithms analyze historical weather data, satellite imagery, and real-time atmospheric conditions to predict sunlight patterns with remarkable accuracy. This information is crucial for optimizing solar panel positioning, ensuring they capture the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. AI can even detect cloud cover and adjust the angle of solar panels in real time to follow the sun's path across the sky. But AI's role in solar energy extends beyond just optimizing panel positioning. AI can also monitor the performance of individual solar panels, identifying any faults or inefficiencies. This proactive maintenance approach ensures that solar energy systems operate at peak performance, maximizing energy output and minimizing downtime. Section 4. AI catches the wind, boosting wind energy. Wind energy, harnessed through towering wind turbines, offers another abundant source of clean energy. However, wind, like sunlight, can be unpredictable. Wind speeds fluctuate and wind direction changes, impacting the efficiency of wind turbines. AI is proving to be an invaluable tool in maximizing wind energy capture. AI algorithms analyze vast datasets of wind speed, direction, and atmospheric pressure. This allows them to predict wind patterns with remarkable accuracy, often days or even weeks in advance. This predictive capability is crucial for optimizing the operation of wind turbines. AI can adjust the angle of turbine blades to capture the maximum amount of wind energy, even as wind conditions change. Moreover, AI can optimize the layout of wind farms themselves. By analyzing wind patterns and terrain, AI can determine the optimal placement of turbines to maximize energy capture, while minimizing turbulence and interference between turbines. This ensures that wind farms operate at peak efficiency, generating the maximum amount of clean energy. Section 5. A brighter, more efficient future. The benefits of integrating AI into renewable energy systems extend far beyond just increased energy output. AI is also playing a crucial role in making renewable energy more cost-effective and accessible. By optimizing energy production and consumption, AI helps reduce our reliance on expensive and polluting fossil fuels. This translates into lower energy costs for consumers and businesses alike. Furthermore, AI-powered smart grids can intelligently distribute energy from renewable sources, reducing transmission losses and improving grid stability. This makes renewable energy a more reliable and dependable source of power, paving the way for a future where clean energy is the norm, not the exception. The integration of AI into renewable energy systems is still in its early stages, but the potential is vast. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even greater efficiency gains, lower costs, and wider adoption of renewable energy sources around the world. AI, the key to unlocking renewable energy's potential. The future of energy is linked to artificial intelligence. AI is the key to unlocking renewable energy's full potential. AI offers hope for a sustainable energy future. Imagine AI seamlessly managing our energy needs, powering homes and businesses with a smart, clean energy grid. AI makes the sun and wind reliable energy sources. This is the future AI is creating, a future with clean, sustainable energy for all.